In May this year, the Australian Fashion Council launched a report outlining the value of apparel, fashion and textile industry to Australia, stating that it contributes more than $27.2 billion to the Australian economy, employs 489,000 Australians. In addition, it is critical to the economic security of Australian women. 77% of employees in the industry are women.
I started in business through necessity. I was a single mother with 3 boys. In the 70s, there was no room for a single mother. If you put up your hand and said, I need to pick up the children, I need school holidays, you were dismissed immediately. So I figured the best way to work it out is to be an employer and run my own business. And 50 years later, I'm still here and loving it as much as day one.
Fast forward to now. Lockdowns globally, broken supply chains, a fractured relationship with China, increased freight costs, plus uncertain delivery time. The industry is reworking how it operates.
My name is Kate and I'm the founder of Sheline. Having worked as a corporate lawyer for many years, I'd become frustrated at not being able to find a handbag that suited my needs. Pandemic happened and the problem that we solved, work bags made primarily for commuting and organisation, became redundant. I was really keen to live the company values and walk fearlessly to create a product that ideally was entirely end-to-end Australian made and sustainable, and collect and support as many other small businesses that I could gather in the process.
Kate was just, I don't know, she was just different. She came up with this whole plan that she wanted to make everything Australian made. What I did is really dug deep and just got her all the contacts, and I believe everything that she's done is Australian made, even to her boxes.
Australian buys it, Australian wears it, Australian makes it. That's the difference. Australian people get paid from what's been made.
COVID has absolutely woken us up to the fact that we need to be more self-reliant, and the fact that we can have greater visibility on responsibly and ethically paying Australians a great wage in a great working environment. And we once had such a booming industry. There's no reason why we can't rebuild that. We're just going to need some scaffolding, I think, from government, and some incentives for bigger business, and some awareness about the amazing skills that we still have here, and some succession planning about rebuilding that.
Yeah, look, it's not a race to the bottom to get the cheapest product. We want to be sustainable. We want to keep an industry here. The smaller the footprint, the better for the country, the better for the economy, the better for everything. Sure, we're going to have to rely on overseas for a lot of our products, but whatever we can get done locally, we should get done locally.